way it was. Actually, I don't have any words to speak right now, but I would like to start with saying thanks. First of all, to MCC for making such an awesome platform for all of us. Secondly, all the owners who made sure the event is possible, and they actually got that platform for us to come and play. And more importantly, the people over behind the screen who are making sure all things are there on the ground for us to enjoy. Like Vishal, he was actually always on the phone for last almost 2 weeks. Mehul was making sure that money is being flowed properly and being given to every person. So I would call him accountant. But well, there are other people who are working behind the screen. Thanks to every person working behind the screen, and also thanks to all the sponsors. The event was awesome. Well, it started with the practice session we had, and I'm sure nobody knew what the team is like because we just got the names. And 80% of people did not interact much on cricket ground or never played together. So I was lucky to meet most of my team in my first session, and I was like, okay, it's a good team we have. And that's the day I think someone asked, which team do you belong to? And the first thing we said was winning team, and that thing actually rolled out. So we were declared winner that day, and we are winner today. I would like to talk about the event much, but before that I would like you to listen to few of my team members. Here it goes.
Hello everyone. Thank you Sanket for giving us a platform as MCC. Thank you Vishal and team who has organized such a massive event for all of us. Ajay bhai, who has captained our MCC striker, has lead from the front from the day one. Kudos to women who played all the 3 matches brilliantly with bat and ball. Everyone has done some or other work. Some has fielded very well, some has batted very well, some has taken good catches, some has bowled good overs. I think it was a team effort. It was my dream that we should lift a trophy, and that you girls have lifted very well. Thanks to each and every member of our team, and I'm waiting for the next year. I will love to retain all the players, and till then, bye, take care, have fun.
Hello everyone, MCC Strikers. I'm really glad to be part of this team. It is the first time I hold the bat, and you guys never made me feel that I'm a newbie or I don't know anything. And yeah, after first match we got a little bit of confidence, and last match, oh man, we really enjoyed. I'm really thankful for the MCC. It's been a family now, and thank you Paresh, thank you Vinay, thank you Ajay and everyone else. And yeah, my girls gang, really enjoyed playing with you. So hopefully let's do it next time again, and love you all. Bye bye.
So क्या कहा जाए, the performance was 8 and congratulations to all the MCC striker members. बहुत मजा आया यार. Looking forward for many more events. Everyone played exceptionally well. Nevertheless, the women were the actual power of the team. So congratulations to each and every striker member. And congratulations to Paresh bhai, our owner, and Ajay bhai, our captain. You guys were amazing. And looking forward for many more events with the same bunch of people. Congratulations. कौन सी टीम में हो भाई? Winning team. You got it right. Thank you.
दिल है स्ट्राइकर यार. स्ट्राइकर इट मीन्स मोर देन अ टीम फॉर मी. इट्स मोर लाइक फैमिली. बहुत मज़ा आया खेल के, एंड happy that we were on the winning side, and we won convincingly thanks to amazing batting performances by Vinay and Jujar. So हमारा तो नंबर ही नहीं आया बैटिंग में, and not complaining but really enjoyed it. And thanks to our sponsor, हमारे team owner Mr. Paresh, who was very supportive, and he gave us some special medals post the match. So that was a small memento that we took back. And last but not the least, the trophy. हमारे हर टाइम से हम ही बोल रहे थे we'll be the winning team, but we have to win it. Like, so एक होता है ये बात करना और एक होता है उसको execute करना. So the execution for all the games were like spot on, and hopefully next year we have the same team again, and वापस झंडे गाड़ देंगे यार. Keep rocking, strikers. See you next year.
Hey, hi strikers. So एक छोटा सा शेर, शाहरुख खान का फेमस डायलॉग मुझे याद आ रहा है। इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें चाहने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है। वेल, हमारी टीम के लिए ये सबसे एप्ट लाइन है। फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट वी वर सेइंग दैट वी आर द विनर्स मतलब स्ट्राइकर्स, एंड फाइनली वही हुआ। एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मेंस बाय एंटायर टीम, अमेजिंग बैटिंग बाय विनय, बाय जूजर, and in finals obviously the girl power that really helped all four, be it Kavita, Ami, Sophia, Sonali, really played well, and entire we as a support team. खैर हम लोगों ने बैटिंग नहीं की, but that's okay. We enjoyed whatever we did, thanks to the amazing scorings by scoring 100 plus runs in most of the matches. So yes, it was too good to be part of strikers, and this journey will continue. Thanks to our sponsor Paresh bhai, amazing small memento that we received. The trophy is obviously the great, is always brings that smile and cheers on your face. And yes, at last, thanks to our captain Ajay bhai, who showed confidence in all of us and helped to create a good bonding between the team throughout. Cheers. Have a good day, good time ahead, and we are looking ahead for our team party. Hip hip hooray, winners yani ki strikers. Thank you.
Congratulations for the win, MCC Strikers. It was wonderful experience. Thank you to our owner Paresh bhai and our captain Ajay bhai for such a lovely event.
Hello strikers, this one is for you all. Apna MCPL was great. Kudos to the team and the management, by everybody, organizers and all. Apne captain sahab, Vinay and the ladies, batting, fielding, bowling, everything was excellent, especially the last match. And the major thing is that everybody tried their best. And सबका टीम वर्क था, फ्रॉम कीपिंग बाय अमित भाई टू अजय भाई का मोटिवेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो लेट्स होप अगले साल भी अपन सेम रिपीट करें, जीतेंगे ट्रॉफी. मज़ा आया सबके साथ खेल के. तो थैंक्स टू यू ऑल. चीयर्स.
Hello everyone. Hey Team Strikers, as we are saying from the beginning, we are the winning team. So it has happened. We are finally holding the trophy. Special thanks to Vishal bhai and team, without whom this tournament wouldn't be possible. Paresh bhai, PC, our team owner, without whom this striker team wouldn't come into exist. Ajay bhai, our team captain, who has taken lead from the very beginning of the match. Special thanks to Women Power, who have batted really well and increased our scoreboard, which had become difficult for the opponent team to score well. Our team members who have fielded very well, some have bowled very well, some have taken catches very well. This could happen only because of our good team spirit and teamwork, and it wouldn't be possible. So I am eagerly waiting for the next tournament to begin, and crossing my fingers with the same team. See you next year. Stay safe, take care, and have fun.
So, how was the speech from all the team members? Well, after that I would like to take you and show you a couple of glimpses of the event, some strokes from my team. Here it goes.
स्कोरर को कंफ्यूज करो. पागल को कंफ्यूज कर. गुड शॉट. चौके पे चौका मार रहा है. ये भी सीखते ना, ये भी सीखते ना। बात के निकालो ना। ये किधर है? आप बिल्डिंग देखते हैं। कोई भी देख रहा है। थक गया हम लोग। एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है। उससे बोला ना विनय अकेला लेके जाएगा करके। उससे अकेला लेके मारो मारो। शॉट है वो। कौन बोला शॉट और लगा 6 लेट्राज फिर चैंपियन। शॉट है छगड़ा विनय। चार रन। अपना पैसा पहुंच गया, उसको भी पैसा पहुंच गया।
Now, some catches that win matches. Here it goes.
बदाम डालता था फिर जाता था, फिर वापस 9:30 बजे घर पे आता था ऐसे बैठ लेके।
अपने मुरली करके बता रहो ए सनी क्या हुआ नहीं
क्या बात है पीछे, क्या बात है।
पिंक एंड मिल्क टी लेमन
So guys, I hope you enjoyed. The only mantra we followed was to make sure that we play well and without any stress. I would like to thank each and every team member of my team. They actually made sure that we actually enjoy the match and also play well. Also, just to tell you that we made sure every team member of opponent gets batting well and we kept our words well. So without any delay, I would like to end this video and bring you some glimpse of the moment. Enjoy.
Best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions. For the champions, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Here we go, it's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just life, that's how it is. 'Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, oh, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed. See you next year with same team, same fun, and till then, enjoy.